Hi again! It's time to talk about media queries, the core tool for making design responsive. Media queries allow you to apply CSS rules based on screen size, resolution, or device type. The most common use is for screen width. For example, you can change the layout when the screen is smaller than 768 pixels. It's only an example. And here's the syntax. Add media, in parentheses, max width, the size that you want, and braces. You can use media queries to adjust font size, rearrange elements, or hide or show part of your site. And here we have created a layout with two columns, and we're going to make a change to one color on a smaller screen. And we're going to see the results in the web page. So in the web page, we have to enter the F12 in our keyboard, and we're going to access to the HTML controller, and in this icon you can change the size of the screen, and here we are seeing the results. With media queries, you can control how your site behaves on different devices. Let's see some recommended breakpoints in the next video.